Can we improve our heart health naturally? The answer is yes, it is possible. We are blessed by nature, because there are foods that work on the health of the arteries, and protect against heart attacks. Here are the top 10 recommended foods for a healthy heart. 1. Green tea. After water, tea is the most consumed beverage in the world. Green tea is an excellent mood booster and an excellent weight loss promoter. This calming drink is an excellent cardioprotective agent due to the presence of antioxidant elements such as catechins. It prevents the absorption of cholesterol during digestion. 2. Cinnamon. It's surprising to know the benefits that this delicious spice brings to your cardiovascular health, and your health in general. Both aromatic and with medicinal properties, it stimulates the immune system and brings energy. Thanks to its concentration of antioxidants, cinnamon prevents the formation of a blood clot which subsequently clogs the arteries. 3. Cranberry. One more virtue. Cranberries reduce bad LDL cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, which is HDL. It can reduce the risk of having a stroke. Whether in juice or on your cakes, this fruit is good for you. 4. Spirulina. A blue-green algae with phenomenal benefits, a source of protein and essential amino acids for the body. It also contains a good amount of minerals and trace elements to fight fatigue and stabilize blood pressure. Spirulina balances the level of fat present in the blood. 5. Pomegranate. This fruit is vitamin bomb. With a high antioxidant content, it plays a defensive role against cardiovascular disease. It reduces blood pressure and therefore decreases risk of having a myocardial infarction or stroke, due to the presence of polyphenols in this fruit. 6. Turmeric. This spice with anti-inflammatory properties is extraordinary for the protection of the heart against arteriosclerosis, which damages the arterial walls by hardening them. The presence of turmeric in your diet reduces the risk of a blood clot forming. 7. Avocado. This fruit we like to have in our salads is extremely rich in nutrients. You should also know that an avocado contains 75% monounsaturated fat, the type of fat that is good for your heart. 8. Asparagus. A vegetable with diuretic properties, rich in vitamin B9, acts on cardiovascular health, regulates blood pressure and prevents strokes. 9. Persimmon. Persimmon is an excellent anticoagulant and promotes blood circulation. Its virtues for heart health are innumerable, fights hypertension and reduces cholesterol levels in the blood. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli contains a lot of nutrients and vitamins including vitamins C, K, E, B9. It helps to clear the arteries and keep them healthy, thus preventing the formation of a blood clot.